Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create posts on your Google Business Profile in 2026. Regular posts help you promote updates, offers, events, and new products directly on Google Search and Google Maps. First, sign in to your Google Business Profile account from your web browser. Select your business if you manage multiple locations. From the dashboard, click Add Update *** or Create Post ***. You'll see different post options depending on your business type. Now write a short and engaging message about your update. This could be a special offer, a new product, an upcoming event, or important business news. Keep your text clear and easy to read. Next, click Add Photo * and upload a high-quality image that matches your post. Visual content helps attract more attention from potential customers. If you'd like, you can also add a call to action button such as Learn More **, Call Now **, Book **, Order Online **, or Sign Up **, then enter the correct website link. Before publishing, review your post to make sure all the information is accurate. When everything looks good, click *publish **. Your post will appear on your Google Business Profile after processing. Creating fresh posts regularly keeps your profile active and helps customers stay informed about your business. That's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe, and check out our other Google Business Profile guides. Thanks for watching.